So here we are with my patient, and now I can call my friend DJ. And this is the end of our 2-year process for getting him his hair back. I've worked with DJ since early part of 2016 when he first came in, and obviously at that time he had a significant amount of hair loss. And this was a man who was used to having long hair, wearing it long, and always being able to be in public and be in the public eye. And it was very difficult for him to go through this process of losing his hair. So when we got into it, he understood it might take a couple of surgeries. But now we're at the end of the journey, and we've been able to restore him front to back with a significant amount of hair. And in the 2 years, we've probably done close to 4,000 to 5,000 grafts and uniformly distributed them front to back so that he can now comb his hair, wear his hair back, wear a ponytail like he likes. And we've been able to accomplish that because he had good hair, and I think he had a good team.
I'm not a guy who spends a lot of time looking at himself in the mirror, but in the mornings when I go get ready for the morning, go comb my hair, as the years have gone by, I've had long hair all my life. I realized we're either going to need to get a haircut or we need to get a restoration, and that's just kind of the decision that I made one morning, and here we are. Well, I'm the kind of guy that does most of his worrying ahead of time. So by the time we got to the actual day of the procedure, I was pretty relaxed. The team had prepped me very well. I knew exactly what was going to happen. So that was probably the easiest part for me. The decision had been made, and here we are. Everything was okay. I took time off of work so that I could rest and do what Dr. McGrath told me to do. And after 10 days, I didn't wear a cap, didn't wear anything. Nobody really said anything to me. I didn't notice anything. There was no pain. I was able to go out in public, and nobody asked me a question. A few of my friends kind of noticed that I looked a little different and looked a little younger, and they were attributing it to the birth of my 2 sons, and I just would smile to myself and be happy about that.
I remember him telling me, his goal was really he wanted to get that hair back in a ponytail and wear that style that he had when he was, in his younger years. And I felt that we could accomplish that. So we moved close to 5,000 grafts over a period of 2 years. And we were able to do that uniformly. Now obviously we had to stage it because in one procedure there just wasn't enough to cover front to back. But after that second procedure, really pulling the front together and adding more in the crown, we reached its goal. And I'm very pleased to say that it was a success.